Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on the One Piece Bounty Rush PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Piece Bounty Rush game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to add friends to play together, just click on the menu icon at the top right corner. From here you can click on Friends. And now this will take you into your friends list. Your existing friends will appear within this page. And if you wish to send a friend request, click on the friend search option. Now you can just enter the player ID within the player ID box to add your desired user. Once you have found their profile, you can click on the request button to send your friend request. And now this will send a friend request to this user right away. Now they will be listed within the outgoing request section. And once this person has accepted your request, they will then appear within your friend list. And after this, you can invite them to start playing together. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the One Piece Bounty Rush PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.